Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Escape. First, gather your tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 5.7 quarts of new 5W20 synthetic blend motor oil and a new oil filter. Don't forget a fresh drain plug washer to prevent leaks. Safety first, so make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and cool before starting. Now let's get that old oil out. Safely lift the front of your Ford Escape using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Place your drain pan directly under the oil pan's drain plug. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Replace the drain plug with a new washer. Finally, carefully pour about 5.7 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil into the engine. After refilling, replace the oil cap and lower your vehicle. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding a little more if it's below the full mark. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.